Friends, running Kimono here. So I know a lot of you are very curious, like what was the update with Pumpkin? He had ran away from home a couple of times. He came back at Christmas time, went out to California to go work at the French Laundry restaurant, and he's back in Michigan, got a job at the Dollar General, and I guess he signed up for Tinder. I found this on his phone and I was just kind of surprised, but he's been acting funny, just wearing jewelry and sunglasses, kind of a new sort of a look. I'm not sure if any of you are having issues with your cat, but this is the update with him. And I looked on his Amazon wish list, and this is the outfit he bought himself for $12.99. I know that very part-time work that he has over at the Dollar General, he doesn't have money for this sort of extravagance. But how is he managing to pay for this? Well, guys, the Fetch Rewards app. They have Amazon gift cards, and sure enough, he went, collected enough receipts, photographed them, and got a couple Amazon gift cards to buy the jewelry and the chains for $12.99. So, OMG. All joking aside, guys, if you want to sign up for this app, it is absolutely terrific. If you go grocery shopping or buy stuff, without coupons, but you still want to earn something because you're buying stuff for your household, this is the app to use. So if you guys are interested, check out the link in the notes and use my referral code. And when you photograph your first receipt, it could be an Egg McMuffin or a pack of gum you bought last week. It could be anything. You're given 2,000 points. Use the code on the screen. And gift cards start around that $3 or $5 mark. You can get Dunkin' Donuts. You can get some pizza. You can get an Amazon gift card to get some glasses and chains to harass your pets. Whatever you want. I mean, the sky's the limit. But it is a terrific app. And a lot of times for groceries, like stuff my husband needs for keto or whatever, I mean, there's not a lot of coupons for that. But with this, I'm earning points towards these gift cards. And hey, I get to buy some sunnies and gold chains for Pumpkin. So if you are interested, check out the link in the notes. It is a terrific app. Hi guys, running Kimono here. So I have not been back to Walgreens all week, and I finally went today, and I was able to line up a really good deal where I got all this stuff for free. So I'm going to share that deal with you. It is really fantastic. I think it was free and a $1 moneymaker. So we'll just unpack this. It's a really good deal. We have a little bit of coupon mail right here and some delicious food we'll talk about. Weather report for you guys. It's kind of a brisk one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day and being safe out there too. Okay, so the first store that we're going to talk about is Walgreens, my favorite. So last Sunday I did a video where it was like a lot of clearance with a couple of deals, and the deals that I wanted to do I kind of glazed over because when the clearance is really hot, and usually the clearance gets tagged down on Saturdays, and if you could line it up on a Sunday morning, that's when you should probably pounce on it. You just get your store really kindly, and sometimes they'll help you out. So I really just kind of didn't do a lot of deals, but last night there was a lot of really cool Ibotta rebates that showed up for both the Nivea and a secret deal I couldn't do because they didn't have it in stock, but I'll tell you about that at the end. But I had one of those goofy boosters of spend 50, get back $7 in Walgreens cash, and I wasn't gonna do it. But then I'm like, if I buy all this stuff with their own promotions and with that booster, this will be a deal for me. So just by the skin of my teeth, I did this deal. I wasn't gonna do it, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So what I did at checkout, guys, was I got the cashier to scan these 4 first. So they're on a buy one, get one 50% off, and it must be the Deep Nourishing Serum one. Now this specific one, so Deep Nourishing, the 16 ounces, there is a $2 back rebate on Ibotta, so it makes it really sweet. And when you buy $20 of this, you get back $10 of Walgreens cash, plus $6 from Ibotta, plus we have $4.50 off of 2. So stacking all of those together, it's really fantastic. If you got these big ones on Sunday, you can still get that Ibotta rebate, guys, so I would still definitely apply for it. So 4 of these, it was $26.37. 2 of the Colgate Optic Whites, these guys are $7.98 for the 2. This one was subsequently buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. And for this deal, it was buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash for these P&G products. The Olays were 2 for $12, and this guy was $3.99. So looking at the whole basket, guys, that's $50.34 before tax. I had my spend $4.50 get $7 in Walgreens cash loaded. And I presented two $4.50 off of two manufacturers from a recent smart source. So $9 came off for that. And I got the cashier to scan these first because I wanted those coupons to attach to this product. Because the line limit is a goofy thing over at Walgreens, you're gonna have to do that because you don't want, you know, the Colgate coupons to kick these out and these to not come out. That's what I did. I got the cashier to scan the Nivea first so the paper coupons would attach to those products. And then I had a 4 off of 2 for this, I had a 4 off of 2 for this, and I had a $2 for that. So after all of the coupons came off, guys, I had to pay $31.34 out of pocket cash. So your debit card, credit card, pennies, whatever you have, pay that out of pocket cash. Don't use Walgreens cash because you won't earn it again. And then I got back $26.50 in Walgreens cash. I got back $7 for a $50 basket. I got back $10 for buying $20 in Nivea. I got $4 for buying the 2 Colgates, and I got $5 for buying these, and then an extra 50 cents in Walgreens cash for the overall basket. So it made this like $4.84 for all of these items. Now, IBOTTA has $2 back for each of these that you can do up to 3 times, so I got $6 back. So it made this basket free plus a $1.16 money maker. You have not been out to the store kind of sitting on deals, or if you just were like me and you went crazy about clearance on Sunday and you just haven't been back to the store, absolutely go for it. And I'm also going to tell you guys about a quick secret deal as well. Hey guys, so if you had one of those baskets like buy 50, get back $7 in Walgreens cash, this is an excellent item to bulk up your basket. So these guys are $7.99 a pop. And there is a $5.99 off of 2 digital coupons, so hopefully you have that one loaded. If you go over to your Ibotta, $4 back for each, so that's a really generous one. So grabbing 2 of these in store at $7.99 a pop, that's $15.98. Subtracting that $5.99 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $9.99 out of pocket, getting back $8 from Ibotta, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. So if you're looking for something to bulk up a basket for one of those boosters or something like that, absolutely. If you're just buying this on your own because you think 99 cents is a fantastic stock up price for this dry spray, you can absolutely use your Walgreens cash, but what a wonderful little deal. Before we talk about coupon mail, we're going to talk really quickly about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for 2 years, and I love having this stuff sent to my home. It's about 10 steps above Applebee's, and it makes cooking an absolute joy in the kitchen. They provide you all the ingredients, and you just have to assemble it at home. How easy is that? If you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh, I have a $40 coupon code in the description. So you would pay $20 with the shipping included to get these amazing meals. And if you just want to do a one and done, if you just want to try like 3 amazing meals for 20 bucks, you can just deactivate your account immediately after placing your order, or put it on pause, which you can do, or you might end up in my situation and be with them for 2+ years. Hey, the last thing we're going to talk about is some coupon mail. Thank you to my friend Sandra who sent these coupons for review. If you want to get in touch with Sandra, all of her information is in the notes. She sent these out on the weekend, and I think they arrived here on Monday. So that's some pretty fast shipping, and these are from the 3/14 weekend. So just a whole assortment of coupons. It's a preparation H, man. Don't have a Family Dollar here, so I don't ever do Family Dollar deals. Or I think the closest one is like an hour drive away. These are going to be really great this week over at Rite Aid. Oh, hello, coupons. These are fantastic. They have a buy 3 get $3 register reward next week over at Walgreens for this, for all these little products. So I'm definitely going to use those. And a buy 1 get 1 free for whole blend. So already the first one, amazing. The second one, little, I put it on his diaper. For this week at Rite Aid, that's a fantastic coupon. And the last one is this March Beauty book by Unilever. Lots of this stuff has been on clearance at Rite Aid, so probably Walgreens soon as well. Pause anytime you guys want to look at the coupons a bit more closely. I tend to talk a lot, so I'm just trying to do this quickly. And we're going to look at her price board here in a quick second. If you're not sure about how any of this works, you can also send her a quick message over on through email. Her email is there, and she will get back to you the old-fashioned way. She's always quick to help people out too, and she's very patient. Boy, this is the never-ending insert. Thank you, Sandra. Okay, let's look at her price board. Hey guys, so if you're interested in anything that I just showed you, she has a restock of this, so 5 of each, so 5 books of each would be 18, with shipping included. Jumping up to 10, it's 28, so a whole bunch of variation, and the gains included. So if you're one of those gain shoppers at the Dollar General, this is definitely for you. And then looking at her link tree, this will also be provided in the notes. She's jumping up to the 21st, which is next weekend, and she has bundles and all that information on her Instagram page that will also be in the notes if you want to go and follow. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.